Who are you? VEIDOO. Alright, this is the VEIDOO. It is a 6-inch unit, and I'm almost guaranteed it's resealed because look at it that way. And they flip the box, and this just looks suspicious. Either way, this is a 6-inch e-reader with curved edges and physical page turn buttons, specifically saying left and right. So little is known about this company. In fact, they sent this to us with no information whatsoever. Let's crack it open. Now, you might be wondering, when we get these things, we usually do unboxing e-paper, but that is usually earmarked for the things that our staff just kind of throws my way. I don't know what it is, but this is kind of a mainline unit in a way, and people have technically been asking for an e-reader with physical page turn buttons recently, so let's just look at it. It's made out of card stock, a little bit of corrugated cardboard right there, no foam or anything like that. And we have the user really long line bold S space manual. All right, that's already looking crazy suspicious, because how could you go and say, you know what, that looks good, I don't need to proofread that, or even so much as question the fact that I very obviously made several typing errors. But I guess here it is, and you know what, to their credit, it is in multiple languages. I like that. And we have a QC pass. I don't know who did it, and it says model checker date, and it literally just is stamped with QC pass. So, I mean, I could do that. Let's crack this open and see. Well, that's small. I know it's a 6-inch, but whoa, my goodness. That is a small boy right there. Wow. All right. You know, we don't really have many 6 inches with physical page turn buttons, so this is exciting all the same. Do we have anything in here? Nope, those are spacers. All right, put that off to the side. What do we have here? This is huge. Is this like a 1-2 meter cable? This is a massive cable. Oh, there's just a bunch of stuff in here. What is this? There's all these little bags of things. Holy moly. Okay, we got an EU charger with a USB right there, but you can just charge it off of the USB cable. And what is this? I'm just going to open these because I hate fighting with these little bags. Massively don't like using these. All right, we have a USB-C to USB. Oh, I wonder if this has OTG, in which you can actually host things on the unit itself. And finally, undoubtedly, a USB-C. Hopefully it's not micro USB. USB-C. Alright, so everything's copacetic in that regard, except for this charger, but it just doesn't pertain to us. It'll pertain to a vast majority of people that obviously live in that country. Now, what do we got here? Now, you know, I just did an off-camera search. It actually said that this is not a 6-inch, in that it is a 5.8. We're going to figure this out right now. You know what? I think this is a first in our industry. This is a 5.8. It is not a 6-inch. It's actually a little bit off. That is not a big deal, but it is unbelievable. I've never seen a 5.8. Let's look at the unit. We have a pearl white back color right there with a VEIDOO logo. We have a power button on the side. We have an SD card at the bottom, and what seemingly is a microphone with a USB-C. Nothing on that side. Oh, and a speaker on the top. Let's take off. Whoa, that is sticky. I, for a second, thought that shouldn't come off until I noticed it had a green thing. Now, something I just noticed, in taking that off, I have created a screen bubble. I hope that is... yeah, there is a screen protector on here. Okay, so there was a screen protector and then a protector on top of that, so don't worry. Wow, that was really... that had a lot of adherence on it. So let's turn this on for the first time, and I'm just going to touch those keys once we get going here, because it's very exciting. Something to note is that this is incredibly reflective, and I haven't taken it off yet, I just got it going, but let's see if the actual screen is reflective, or that's just the case of the screen protector. And the moment of truth is... it is a reflective screen. The screen protector does nothing. Nothing at all. And this is a plastic screen as well. I must also say the resolution is horrid. Look at the writing. It is absolutely... it is so blocky. It's like you're looking at a Super Nintendo. It is so... 20 years ago technology of the way it's displayed. I'm not sure if that's a software glitch or that's just the maximum amount of resolution that is capable of the unit. But it looks like we do have some settings. It's labeled itself the E5. It appears we have apps. I think everything's just so slow. There's Google Play on it. There's not Google Play on it. No way. If that is, this will be the 13th manufacturer to have Google Play. This is an absolute anomaly, this thing. I don't know what's going on here, from the mismatched charger to the quality check stamped by just a quality check dude to the triple screen protector that's just all reflective. And the fact that it's a 5.8. I don't know where this came from. We're going to get to the bottom of it, and hopefully we'll have some more information by the time we get to the review. For goodereader.com, thanks for watching.